What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So, over the past few weeks, I realized that the market is not as volatile, not as clean as it usually is. So, instead of risking live capital or instead of trading on any funded accounts, I will be trading a $1 million demo account. All right, yes, I said it. I will be trading on a $1 million demo account. As you see here, I created a demo account on Hugo's Way that is worth $1 million. And not only is this going to just continue to help me improve my skills, but it's also going to help me with my psychology, getting used to big accounts. At some point, I do plan to trade $1 million plus. So this is going to help me with my psychology to prepare for the future. All right. So $1 million demo account. Again, I'm not claiming that this is live because this is not a live account. This is a demo account. This is for studying purposes and psychological purposes as well. Anyway, if we take a look at gold, which is the pair I will be, which is the pair that has a clean setup right now, we've been on a huge bullish run. As you see from here all the way down here, we've been on this huge bullish run ever since gold hit the 1775 mid level. We've just been going up and up and up. As you can see, very clean retests of structure highs. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to continue buying and following the trend. Simple as that. Right now, there's a clean setup that I'm looking at. Gold retested this 1810 level, 1811 level, and I'm expecting it to take out this liquidity that you see up here, and at the same time retest the 1825 mid level. So I'm looking at this high as liquidity, and I'm expecting it to be taken out. So right now, as I told you guys, we have a setup on the 15-minute. This let me show you guys actually. This is the setup that we're looking for. See, if you guys watch my video on the MLBM strategy, I'll make an updated video on that. We can see that there's some kind of manipulation happening. You can see prices pretty much in this small range right here. So what does that mean? Price is manipulating. So there's a manipulation, there's liquidation of lows, liquidation of highs. There's breaks of structure, and then we are looking for mitigation of the break of structure, which is basically just a retest. Simple terms, layman's terms, it's just a retest of the high that broke or the low that it broke. In this case, it's the high because we're looking for buys. So as you see, the setup is clean right here. So what we're looking to do is we're looking to buy right here. We're going to place our entry right over here, stop loss down here. And again, as I told you guys, we're looking to take out the liquidity high. So that's currently the setup. It's about a 4 to 5. Excuse me. It's about a 1 to 4, 1 to 4.5 is what I meant to say. So yeah, we're just looking for price to come back down, tap us in, and continue to the upside. If it doesn't come back and tap us in, it's all good. This could have been this right here could have been the retest that it needed, but again, I'm expecting gold to come back down, especially knowing gold that it likes to retest an area multiple times before continuing in the direction that it wants to. I'm expecting price to come back, tap us in, and continue to the upside. So I'm going to put a buy limit. As I told you guys, this is the demo account right here, the $1 million demo account. We're expecting buys from this zone right here. So I will be back in a few to give you guys an update on what's going on with the price. As expected, price is coming back to retest the zone nicely. This is the swing high that I'm looking to be retested. This one actually right here. And so, well, again, what I'm looking for is price to tap us in and continue to the upside. I'll show you guys that I actually have a buy limit where I told you guys that I was going to put one, and so far looking so good. I put it up here just to account for spread, and as I told you guys, we're looking to take out the high that you see right up here. I'll show you guys on trading view actually. We're looking to take out the high that you see up here. Here's the previous high right over here. So yeah, and again, this is a about 4.5. So nice risk to reward. And if we break this high up here, we're probably partial when we get above this high over here. So again, just waiting, being patient, and that's the name of the game. To be patient, guys. I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys on the next thing that happens in this trade. Here's an update on the current state of price. As you see, it shot up. Did not tap us in. It shot up, but it still hasn't taken out this high. I'm looking for this high to be taken out. If this high gets taken out before we get tapped into the trade, then I'll consider this entry invalid. Then I'll consider this entry down here invalid. But otherwise, if price is holding this high, if it continues to hold this high, taps us in, I will accept the trade. Price to continue up to take this high out. So as long as price does not take this high out that you see up here, I'm gonna hold this buy limit I'm gonna hold this buy limit over here. So price has not taken it out yet. We are not tapped into the trade. I'm looking for price to retrace, take out all of this liquidity. Where is it? One sec. To retrace, take out this liquidity down here, tap us in, and continue to the upside. So that's the current state of price. And again, staying patient and just waiting. As anticipated, guys, it looks like liquidity is going to be taken out. You can see price did not take out the high that we were expecting it to be taken out. And as I told you, if the high holds, then this setup is still valid. This entry is still valid. Now, if price would have broken the high or even liquidated the high, then this entry would no longer have been validated. So to the downside, liquidity is expected to be taken out. At the same time, tapping us in for price to continue up. I'll update you guys in a little bit. All right, so liquidity was officially taken out, but we have not been tapped into the trade yet. So this low got taken out, not tapped into the trade yet. I'll show you guys. Still holding it and waiting for price to tap us in. I'm still expecting price to mitigate this area or retest this area. So yeah, we're just staying patient. This might be another liquidity that price may take out. May or may not take it out, may come down even more, may or may not come down even more. But again, we're still staying patient. And yeah, we'll wait. I'll update you guys in a bit. All right, as expected, we have officially been tapped into the trade. As I anticipated before, liquidity was taken out. It created some more liquidity. People might have bought from here, and now it took this liquidity out as well. So this looks like, well, I'm expecting it to buy from here. It's not that I know. I'm just expecting it to buy from here based on my back testing results. So we'll just wait, be patient. I know this is a late entry, but yeah, I just want to show you guys that you know how to manage a $1 million account. It's not about having a bigger account. It's about just, you know, using the strategy that you've cultivated for yourself, that you've back tested day in and day out. This is the current drawdown that we are in, and we'll see. Again, as I told you guys, this is a $1 million account. I threw a 20 lot on. That is a $5,000 risk, which is 0.5%. So 0.5% of $1 million is $5,000. So as you see, this is the risk, 5,400. You know, you got to count for spread. So that's what the extra 400 is for. And again, the reward is going to be 20K, so about 1 to 4. So that's currently what we're looking at. Again, we're in drawdown, but no biggies. We're going to continue to trade this account, and we will see how this trade ends up. This is a 15-minute entry, if I didn't tell you guys before. 15-minute setup, and yeah, we'll see. We may actually partial when price breaks this high. I'm thinking about partial when price breaks this high. We'll see how momentum is when this price gets here. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. And again, just to show you guys one more time, this is the current state that we are in for drawdown. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. After a couple of hours, I'm back with an update for you guys. As you can see, we are floating in profit about 10K, 9.7 to be exact. This is the setup that we're still holding. Again, it was a 15-minute entry that we entered on, and we are currently holding. What I want to see now is for price to break above this level right here and for it to continue up. It looks pretty good right now. I may just go break even. Let's see. Yeah, looks pretty good. Let's see where this 1 hour candle closes. If it closes a nice bullish engulfing, I'll most likely go break even. Got about 5 minutes until that closes. So again, we're up about 10K, and things are looking pretty good so far. As I told you guys before, my TP is up here, taking out the high. That's about 20K. So it's currently where we stand right now. So I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. And again, this is just showing you guys, when you have a big account like this, again, there's a demo account, just to tell you guys again, there's a demo account, but when you have a big account, you don't have to risk that much. There's only 0.5%. This 0.5% is already 10K. I'm already up 10K and the trade's not even closed yet. So the full target is 20K. Imagine making 20K in one trade. That's 20K a month. That's great. This is the only trade you would have needed to take for the month. But again, we'll continue to trade as long as we see setups, but not trading every day. We'll just continue to trade when we see A+ setups. So again, this is the power of having a big account and being able to leverage that big account to risk less. Again, we're only risking 0.5%, which is 5K. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. I'll be back in a sec. Price has come back to our entry point, and we are at about break even right now. Because spread, it looks like we're in drawdown, but it's actually just spread. Knowing gold does this a lot. It retests an area a lot. So I'm still expecting gold to shoot back up to continue taking out highs as it has been for the past couple of weeks or so, or a couple of days or so. And yeah, that's nothing to worry about. We're gonna continue to hold this and trust our strategy, trust our plan. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's all good. So yeah, this is the second retest that gold is doing on here. So here's what I'm gonna do. Let me show you guys on TradingView actually. Once price breaks this high, we are going to partial and break even. I might actually be asleep by then because it's pretty late. Once price breaks this high, I'm going to partial and break even and let price continue up to our initial take profit. So again, spread is killing us right now. Still in drawdown a little bit, but nothing to worry about. See you guys in the next clip. I'm back, traders. It's been a couple of hours, and you can see that price has absolutely plummeted. So I think the last time I showed you guys, we were around right over here. I told you guys that I wanted this level to hold even more before I went break even. And so price came down. Oh yeah, we were actually over here. Price came down, price retested again, and I said once price gets up here, that I'm going to partial. As you see, I went to sleep. It was like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. I went to sleep. Price shot up again. Didn't quite hit that area. And then price came back to retest our entry once again for the third time. So we got 1, 2, 3 over here. What happened? Do this. What happened? Price shot up one last time, and then absolutely fell after this third attempt to break this level. It's actually my fault that I lost this trade. I shouldn't have lost this trade because I told you guys that I was going to partial since over here. So I was going to break even and partial since over here. So, I have no one to blame but myself. But we are down 0.5%, which is, let me show you, which is just about 5K. So yeah, no worries. No big deal. We're going to continue to trade the same way. Again, this is just 0.5%. $5,000 looks like a lot, but it's if you compare it to the size of the account, which is $1 million, it's not a lot of money. We can easily make this back in one trade. And I have a decent risk to reward strategy, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So I can easily make this back and then some in one trade. So yeah, again, make sure you guys listen to your plan, because if I listened to my plan, I wouldn't have lost this trade and we've actually been up. So again, no excuses, nothing. I'm just learning, just like some of you guys are. So yeah, as you see, we had a nice entry, very nice entry, but I didn't stick to my plan of breaking even and partialing at this high over here. So that's what happens when you don't stick to your plan. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to continue to trade this $1 million account until I purchase a new challenge for the new year. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.